The purpose of this tutorial is to introduce you to a powerful open source audio editing tool called Audacity. It's both powerful enough for a sound engineer, but it's easy enough for a novice. So with this tool, you have plenty of room to grow. So let's begin by taking a quick tour of some of the tools that we have at hand with this application. Over here you have your playback control. That means you can pause, play, stop, skip to the start, skip to the finish, and record. There's also a tools toolbar, and I'm just going to talk about what we need for our tutorial. We'll be using this cursor looking icon, and that's the selection tool. And this is an envelope tool, but we're not going to use it in this tutorial, so we'll move on. This is the meter tool. You can actually monitor the sound as it's being recorded. This is for your microphone, and this is your speaker. Way over here we have a mixer toolbar that allows you to set your audio volume and your microphone volume. Now, this is the all-important edit toolbar. In this toolbar, you're going to find several tools that we'll be using in this tutorial, like the scissors, the copy tool, and the paste tool. By the way, you can also find the copy and paste tool under the edit menu. So it's handy. You can get to it in multiple ways. Another tool you'll use, is there often I think, because I do, is the undo and the redo. Two other tools we'll use today will be these plus sign over the magnifying glass and the minus sign. These are your zoom in tools, and your minus sign would be your zoom out tool. You'll find that very handy. This is the timeline area. So this is an example of a little audio clip that's down here. You can tell where you are, how many seconds right up here. Down here you have a 0. That means there's no sound at the 0 mark. So that's all these places, that's 0. And then these are like sound waves. They go up and down. This is called your track window, and you may have several tracks open at any one time. At the bottom of the screen is your selection toolbar. Your project rate, that can be lower or higher as far as the quality of your audio. And you have your selection start, your ending, your length, and where you are in the track, the audio position. One other handy tool is this slider that you see at the bottom of the tracks. It allows you to go forward or backward in the track, and you can zip through back and forth. So that just gives you a little intro to the interface that we'll be working with. Now don't worry, I know that was fast, but it's just to give you an overview. We're going to go into everything in detail.